Once again, welcome to the chili recipe. I am Dimpal Shah and we are going to make the recipe made from paneer chili. So now look at the ingredients. Thick sliced paneer pieces, corn flour, maida, chopped capsicum, sliced onions, ginger paste, garlic paste, green chili paste, Szechuan sauce, salt to taste, soya sauce, spring onions, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, black pepper powder, Ajinomoto, baking powder, oil for deep frying, water to make slurry. For making paneer chili, firstly we have to prepare one slurry. For preparing the slurry, we have to take the corn flour and maida in equal quantity. We are taking here 2 tablespoons maida and 2 tablespoons corn flour. We are adding salt to taste. Pinch baking powder. Pinch Ajinomoto. And we will add some water to make a thick paste. Now mix it properly. Now our slurry is ready. Now we will switch on the gas. As our slurry is ready, now we will dip the paneer in it and coat it properly with the slurry. Coat the paneer properly. Now we will fry the paneer in it. We are putting one by one. Fry it till it becomes red. These paneer are also fried. Now I am taking it out from the oil. Now here our frying process is completed. After frying this, we are giving the proper shape to it by cutting the extra edges. We are cutting these edges to give the nice look. For final preparation, take one pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Heat the oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoon of sliced onion, 2 teaspoon of chopped capsicum, now mix it properly. Then add fried paneers. Green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 2 to 3 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon Szechuan sauce. Now mix it properly. Now we are adding some spring onions. Pinch of black pepper powder. So it is very properly mixed. Our paneer chilli is ready to serve. As our paneer chilli is ready to serve, we are transferring it into the platter. As our paneer chilli is ready, we are garnishing it with the spring onions. So our paneer chilli is done. Thank you.